let's take a look at a mistake that I made uh, during the lesson today. If you take a look over here, you'll see that v of t, the velocity vector for the given example, is 1I plus 2tj. And when we evaluate the velocity vector at t is equal to 2, I should have gotten 1I plus 2 times 2, which would be 4j. And as a result of that, the vector that you see here drawn in green should have a vertical component of 4, uh, a horizontal component of 1, and a vertical component of 4. So it should have a slightly different direction. Horizontal component is correct, but the vertical component should be 4. So it should have a slightly different direction, and it should be longer. And that's something that you would have noticed was an issue when we were looking at the speed of the object at time is equal to 2, and it was found to be, of course, the correct speed, the square root of 17 units per second, which is a little bit more than 4. And that should correspond to the length of the velocity vector, which, because it was drawn incorrectly, was nowhere close to 4. It was much shorter than it should have been. But if it had been drawn correctly, the length of the velocity vector would have been a little bit more than 4, equal to the speed of the object, square root of 17 units per second.